Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for your comments, your suggestion, and everything that you guys are doing for me. I must say I am grateful to you all. Okay, so today we are making waakye. These are the ingredients that I am using to make my delicious waakye. As you can see, my sorghum leaves, salt, soda, beans, and then rice. You can use any rice of your choice, but I am using AA rice. Okay, you can use your basmati, your jasmine, your any rice that you are comfortable with, and the beans as well. Making waakye is not difficult at all, so it's very simple recipe. Okay, so don't go anywhere, let's start together. Yeah, so the sorghum leaves, or most people call it waakye leaves, you can get it in Ghana here in the market. The beans, everywhere you pass, any shop, you can get beans, and the rice too. Okay, but I prefer cooking my waakye with the same quantity of beans as the rice. All right, so I am using 1.5 cup of beans, and same as the rice, 1.5 cups. Okay, so let's cook our beans. As you can see, I've already washed my beans and I am putting them in the pan and they are ready to be boiled. Okay, it's not difficult. Making waakye is not difficult at all. It depends on the texture of waakye that you want, whether you want soft waakye or hard waakye. It's all your choice. All right, and the beans, most people soak the beans overnight and others soak it 3 hours or 4 hours, depends on you, but I don't soak my beans. Okay, and I'll be adding my sorghum leaves. As I said it earlier on, you can get some in the market or those in Ukraine in the African shop, or you can get this on internet. If you want to order, you can also get the sorghum leaves or the waakye leaves. So I am about to cover my pot and then allow the beans to cook. Okay, before you add the main thing, that's the rice. Okay, I can't just wait for this waakye to get ready. All right, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Do you know you can actually make your waakye without the sorghum leaves? Yeah, it's possible. Most people cook waakye without the sorghum leaves. They just add kanwu or baking soda to the beans, and then that is all. All right, so it depends on you. Making the waakye depends on the individual whether to add the sorghum leaves or you add the soda, but you can actually combine the two just to intensify the color. My beans has been on fire for about 15 minutes and I am now adding the baking soda to it. Okay, very simple recipe. Please give this recipe a try. Okay, making waakye is not difficult, just simple recipe. All right, that is it that I am adding to it, and after I will stir. And I think the soda soften the beans to cook fast. That is my mind. I don't know what you think, but if you know, please let me know at the comment section. My beans has been on fire for about 35 minutes now. It's ready for me to remove the leaves from the beans or separate the beans from the leaves. All right, so I'll be adding my salt soon. It's now time for me to add my salt. Okay, please, there's no need for me to give measurement of salt, all right, because salt is depends on the person's taste. If you like a lot of salts, you can add more, And if you don't, you can reduce the salt. All right, nobody should give you pressure, add teaspoon or add less or more. It depends on your choice. Just do what favors you, not what other people are saying. Okay, so this waakye will be very, very delicious. Okay, don't go anywhere. Please kindly try my recipe. Okay, I have a lot of videos on my channel. Please try. Yeah, it's now time for me to add the rice to my beans, and after I'll stir and cover it. Okay, and depends on you of the texture of the waakye that you want. If you want, this is the secret about the waakye. If you want soft waakye, make sure the water that you have added is enough to soften the rice. And if you don't like soft waakye, you also reduce the water. Okay, so it just all depends on you and your choice, the kind of waakye that you want. Okay, very, very simple recipe. Now I'll give the mixture a stir and taste for the salt if it's okay for me, and if I think the salt is less, I can increase the salt. All right, it all depends on you. Okay, and I'll cover it and allow the waakye to cook. Okay, so yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah, my rice has been on fire for 15 minutes, so I have to give it a check. All right. And please, the heat that you use to cook your beans, you make sure when you add the rice to the beans, you reduce the fire. Okay, you put it at the low heat because rice use only heat to cook. All right, we don't want our waakye to burn, so you have to make sure that you reduce the fire. All right. Yeah, I will now cover my rice with foil. All right, please, this one is optional. Okay, you can cover your rice or your waakye with the napkin or anything of your choice. Okay, I prefer using the foil. Okay, so I can't wait for this waakye to get ready. Like, I'm waiting for another 15 minutes and it will be ready. Yeah, I have to check my waakye again and stir it to make sure that everything is balanced. I don't want part of the waakye to be hard and other to be, soft. I want everything to balance in there. Okay, so you make sure that from time to time, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you check your what? You check your waakye. Okay, and we don't want our waakye to burn. Okay, so make sure that you concentrate on the fire and or the heat that your waakye or your rice is cooking with. Okay, very, very simple recipe. Please give it a try, comment and give your suggestion. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, cooking waakye is absolutely easy. It's not difficult. You see, I have cooked the waakye the way I wanted it. Very, very soft for me. And waakye can be served with your shito and your waakye stew. Most people add salad and spag to it. Others add gari. It depends on your choice. Okay, people add what do you call it, avocado to their waakye. Others add plantain. To garnish your waakye depends on the individual. It's not mandatory to eat your waakye with gari or spag. What you like, do what you like. Okay, do what makes you happy. Okay, I prefer my waakye with only what do you call it, the waakye and the waakye stew and the shito. Okay, that's how I prefer my waakye. Other people prefer it what differently. We are all different. Okay, very, very simple recipe. Please, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Make sure you give your comment. Okay, give your girl a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Give your girl a support. Okay, thank you so much, and I am really grateful for you all. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to Eve's Kitchen. Okay, a taste from home. Please try the other recipes that I have on YouTube, and give your comment and suggestion. Kindly comment politely. All right. Thank you so much. We are all learning. See you next time with another recipe. Bye.